you got to challenge kids to be their best version of themselves
So
that you
okay,
want to see.
let's talk about challenge a little bit. So what do you see? Do you identify talent or work ethic?
Both.
Okay.
You got to have both, especially if you're going to do multiple events like those guys do. You got to have the work ethic, obviously, to train and prepare for all the different events that you're going to do. And then, of course, you have to have the talent and the ability to do them.
Yeah.
And so you've got to really identify both things when you're looking for someone to do and take on something like that. It can't just be one or the other. So if you find an athlete that's willing to do it and wanting to do it, and like none of these kids did we ever make do anything.
Yeah.
Like Mike volunteered, hey, I can long jump, I can triple jump, I want to do it, I want to help the team.
Yeah.
Caleb was the same way. Caleb just likes to challenge himself. He just wants to see if he can sprint as fast as the fastest sprinter. He wants to see if he can hurdle as fast as the fastest hurdler.
Yeah.
So he just like to challenge himself like that. So they gotta want to do it.
Okay.